Hey guys, it's Monday, April the 8th, a week away from tax day. Hooray. I hope everybody's had a good weekend. Ready for a good trading week starting out. Again, I thank you for, I had a couple people over the weekend subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate that. And it just lets me know that hopefully I'm helping some people on their trading journey along the way, because all my recommendations are just for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk, and please don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Don't use money that you're using to pay for rent or car note or feed your family, buy the kids clothes. Don't use money for that to trade with. If you are, please stop and just do a demo and learn until you can save up some money, is my advice. We're going to start out with the pound dollar. And it has made a sell signal, which was on Thursday afternoon, and it made a pretty good sell-off, actually filling the gap. Remember, we talked about that, the gap getting filled in, and there it was on Friday. The gap got filled in, and it's tried to make a push back up into where the sell was. So there is an opportunity for a sell, low risk trade sell. Let's see, I think it's up at 54. That still may be a little bit too much. It's about 32 pips with the spread right now. So it may be a little too great. If it pushes up some more, maybe a sell. But I have seen it go up to within 40, which it could happen. I mean, which that one was actually a 22 or 23. That spike there. But for me, nothing to do on the pound dollar as of right now. Aussie dollar is looking like a sell opportunity. Has it's come back up, that would be the stop. I am looking to sell it because the spread, let's see, with the spread, those arrows is 66.18. It's trading at 04. That's 14 plus about 2.5 on the spread, $16.50. So it kind of is worth the selling. So I am going to look at that potential sale here after 6 o'clock, which is at 30 minutes. Pound CAD is in a sell, kind of went sideways. You did have an opportunity to get in, and that's trying to sell off, but it's pushing its way back up. It may not be done to the upside just yet. Let's see. Yeah, it's about 260 away, so there's potential. That's where it's going on the pound CAD. Pound yen, looking for a sell opportunity tonight, again after 6 o'clock. Stop is right there on the pound yen. I'm only looking for sales on anything tied to the yen. Only sales. Euro New Zealand, it made a buy, came into it, pushed up, has come back down into it again. So there's a potential for a buy opportunity with this low candle right there being the stop. So I'm going to look at that again after 6 o'clock. Pound New Zealand, same way, come back into it. The buy did not run away. It's pulled back into it. I'm going to look for a buy opportunity. That one looks like to be the lower risk trade. So I won't be doing both. I may do just the Pound New Zealand because it's the lower risk trade right now. Again, that would be after 6 o'clock though. And the setup still has to be there, so that's 30 minutes away still, so that could change. New Zealand yen would be a sell. Only thing I'd be looking for is a sell there too, which again would be after 6 o'clock. Low risk trade is there right now. The Euro Aussie is in a buy. Did not run away. It's pulled back into it. So I may look for a buy opportunity on the Euro Aussie. That would be the stop, those arrows. The pound Aussie is probably the same way. Yes, it is. Same thing. Be looking for a buy. That's the stop right there. The arrow lows. Euro CAD is in a sell. Don't think that doesn't really look all that great to me. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, every candle high has been right up there close. I normally don't like those. So Euro CAD I'm probably going to stay away from. It could sell off. I hope it does. Could pull back down in here. Then I'll look for a buy. That won't happen tonight. There's the pound Aussie we talked about. CAD yen is in a buy. That's a flush down right there. That's what we call. So it's coming back up to that. Right up in here. CAD yen. So I won't be a buyer. I will only be a seller. When it comes up into here, I'll look to sell the CAD yen. And that may happen during the Asian Chinese session tonight. Euro yen, I'll only be a seller. It's already up there at it. So I'm probably going to take this trade after 6 o'clock unless it's gone higher. That would be the stop. Those arrows right there. Low risk trade on all these. Looks good. Even if you lost on every one of them, you ain't going to lose much. Aussie yen, same thing. Only looking for sales. Look for a sale on the Aussie yen after 6 o'clock. And again, if it pushes up before 6 and takes out that high, I won't be doing anything. I'll be waiting, but I will be looking for a sell opportunity on those. If anybody has any questions or comments, which nobody has been really, except they have asked, not asked questions, but they have made comments. You're welcome to go underneath the video in the comment section and put your comment in there or ask a question, and I will get back to you usually pretty quickly. This is being recorded as usual. Be posted in about 15 or 20 minutes. If you haven't subscribed, but I'm not forcing you to. I just all it does is let me know that I'm helping somebody. That's it. That's all that subscribe thing is for. Nothing else. I'm not trying to get big, huge numbers, which I've said 1,000,000 times. So I don't push for that. I just want a few subscribers, the ones I'm actually helping, to subscribe. If you feel I'm not helping you, then don't subscribe, and that's okay. This stuff's not for this style of trading's not for everybody. So I understand that, and I hope that you do too. So I will have another video for you guys tomorrow. It's probably going to be later in the day. I've got a couple of errands to run tomorrow, and I'm hoping to get them done at lunchtime and hopefully be back earlier. Well, I have an earlier video than this, but I'm not sure. But I will have another video tomorrow for you guys. So I hope everybody had a good night, and please monitor your stops, move them when you can, and take profit, when you're able to. See you guys tomorrow. Let me see.